Prepare for your culinary world to be rocked. The Blackstone 1883 original 28-inch griddle is here to revolutionize outdoor cooking. Picture this, you're the outdoor cooking maestro creating gourmet magic. This rugged black beauty isn't just a griddle, it's a portable, multi-purpose outdoor kitchen. With a 28-inch flat top, you can whip up lavish breakfasts and sizzling steaks simultaneously. And let's talk about the integrated protective hood. No more wrestling with weather. Whether you're serenading the stars on a camping trip or tailgating before the big game, it's your trusty companion. Cooking outside often involves juggling with stray utensils or ingredients. Fear not. The counter-height side shelves are a total game changer for prepping and serving space. Conveniently within reach, heavy-duty powder-coated steel means durability, yet it maintains a sleek, modern look. Who knew rugged durability could be so chic? Master those grill-cooked feasts with confidence and style. Blackstone embraces gas, not pellets. Quicker setup with consistent heat means your culinary creations hit taste bud alert faster without messy charcoals. Perfect for novice or pro chefs alike. Sure, you love grilling, who doesn't? But this griddle expands your repertoire. Fry eggs, flip pancakes, grill veggies, or get daring with stir-fry. Virtually endless summer escapades await. This griddle doesn't just belong to the cooking elite, it's for everyone. Want quality without bleeding cash? Hello, budget-conscious premium buyers. You're not breaking the bank but joining a griddle revolution. With its compact yet spacious design, it's the kind of gift that screams thoughtfulness. Who could use one? The outdoorsy sibling, your barbecue-loving partner, or the self-proclaimed grill master dad? You know it, I know it. Outdoor cooking is booming. With this griddle, you don't join the trend, you lead it. Now's the time to elevate your outdoor dining game without limits. Imagine gatherings with friends and family, charming them with your newfound griddle prowess. It's a lifestyle upgrade that promises laughs, great food, and cherished memories under open skies. Intrigued already? Why wouldn't you be? Let your inner chef flourish, unlocking versatility, flavor, and fun. This griddle is more than cooking, it's an experience. So why wait? Transform your outdoor culinary dreams into reality. Tempted? You should be. Just click the link in the description to learn more. Don't miss out on mastering those flawless grill marks.